Drawer Vac extends the convenience of the vacuum to all countertops. Here, Drawer Vac is mounted in a breadboard configuration in a custom-made cabinet. But Drawer Vac can also be installed behind a cabinet door. Or by trimming a drawer's back wall to provide clearance, Drawer Vac can be mounted within a cabinet drawer. Although a great accessory to any central vacuum system, Drawer Vac also works great with a standalone vacuum, as was just shown. And as next shown, Drawer Vac can be used with a wet interceptor, like this one, for moist debris from a kitchen or other location. Most dry debris swept into Drawer Vac is immediately whisked away by the vacuum stream, with moist or other heavier waste being cleared when Drawer Vac is closed. Drawer Vac is a must in the kitchen for skins and shells, toaster and baking crumbs, cereal and spices, and most other countertop debris. Although a flick of the fingers will clear larger items and heavier or stickier waste, simply closing Drawer Vac will usually clear the tray of any remaining debris. Drawer Vac is also a must in any master vanity. With narrower bathroom cabinets, Drawer Vac can be extended through the drywall for connection to the vacuum system. Hair or fingernail clippings, bandage wrappers, cotton balls, and tissues, even messy whisker debris are all whisked away by the vacuum stream. Drawer Vac is a natural for cleaning up spilled detergent granules, lint and laundry debris from the dryer, or other countertop debris found in utility rooms. Any office desk or workstation where erasers and pencils are used or paper scraps turn up is enhanced by Drawer Vac. And there is nothing like Drawer Vac for keeping a workbench clean from sawdust, waste, dirt, and other debris. Drawer Vac.